Welcome in this tutorial video. Right, so I'm going to walk you guys on how you can design a simple food flyer like this. So this is the flyer. I've imported the flyer to a pixellab app for us to see what we are going to design and then redesign it. So we're going to see how we can get a design like this. Right, so is this your first time seeing my video, watching my video? Welcome to my amazing channel where you'll learn about graphic design from scratch. Alright, so in this video I'm going to teach you guys how you can design a flyer, a simple flyer like this. This is actually simple, but if you don't follow the procedure you may not get it right. Alright, so I'm going to walk you guys on how you can design this. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not liked this video, and if you have any question you can drop it in the comment section. You can also tell me how you see this video in the comment section. Alright, so let us start designing so that this video will not be too long. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do right now is we are going to create this place. That's the number one. Then we create this on these small shapes. Then we create this one here. Then we now add our right top. Alright, so this is how we are going to make this design so it will be simple for us to understand. Alright, the first thing that we're going to do now, for those who are new to pixellab, here is for text, for shape, and here is for background, and here is for effect. So we are going to shapes. Alright, so and we are going to import a shape which will be a circle. Alright, so for us to choose the particular shape we want, click on this, then click on the shape you want. Alright, so this is the shape I want, which is circle. Alright, so we are going to make this circle to appear like this one that we have here, like this. Alright, so let us do that. Let's keep the circle this way. So we have to resize them. We are going to rotate using this. Alright, so we are going to rotate for us to get what we want. Alright, so let's resize. Alright, I think it's good enough now. Alright, but before I continue, I will just let you guys know that the image size that I'm using for this design. For you to check the image size, just click on that three dotted line there. When you click on it, then you will see image size. Alright, so let me show you the image size that I'm using. So the image size that I'm using is 1006 to 2000. So the width is 1600, while the height is what, 2000. Alright, yeah, okay, so we have gotten this. Then how do we now put this food inside this shape? Simple way to do that is just click on it and scroll until you see texture, and here it is. So you click on it, then so you can download some food recipe using your Pinterest. So these are the ones that have downloaded already. Alright, so the one I'm going to make use of is this one. So then you come back to this texture again, then you're going to click on this and then put the button here on it. Alright, so you can see, and it is looking a little bit okay and good. Alright, so this is just a simple thing to do. If you get it right, there is nothing difficult on it. Alright, so let's keep it like this. Then you have to lock it so it won't be moving. Just click here. For those who are new to this app, then click on the key icon for you to lock it. Right, it will shine red, showing that you have locked that shape. It won't be moving. Alright, so now let's start with this one here. Then we now do this food that we placed there. Right, so the first thing, we go to shapes again. You're going to choose circle, then you scroll down, you will see stroke. Increase the stroke, reduce it to something like 10 or 9 is okay. We are going to apply a red stroke to it. Then click on check mark, then you scroll where you see another stroke again. Alright, this is stroke again. This stroke is now going to apply at the back of this red stroke that we have applied already. So just click on the enable button. It's already in white, so I think it's okay in this level. That is 3. Alright, so we are going to keep it somewhere here. Alright, let's add our text, which is David Tech Pizza. So you can add your own name. David Tech Pizza. Alright, so let's give it a color which will be black color. I will be fast this time around. Then we have to give it a font. Just click on font and scroll up. So this is the font that I'm going to make use of. I click on it. I click OK. So here's the font. Now we have to reduce the space between this text, the line of the text. Alright, so just go to line spacing, then reduce it there. Let's reduce this so that it will be able to enter here. Exactly like this. So I must use the same fonts that I use. This is just for practical sample. Alright, so the next thing now, we are done with this. Let's lock it. Say your normal one. Alright, so now the next thing is this food that is here, this one and this one. Alright, so just go to shapes, then you have to choose another circle like this, then you scroll to see texture. Click on texture so that we give it a texture which will be food. So this one is the first one we're going to apply. Let me crop it like this. Alright, so you go back to texture again, then click on this enabled button. Alright, it's okay now. So we're going to place it like this. You're going to keep it this way. Then for the second one, we're going to copy it. Just copy the shape like that, which is like this. Then you go to texture again. You have to delete this one already. This texture that you have already, just click on this for it to delete it. Then let us put another one, which is going to be this. Alright, so you go back to your texture again and click on this enable button, just for it to maintain its ratio. Alright, so keep it like this. Let's make it to be put into it again. Alright, so this one we are going to apply a red stroke to it. Let's just leave it white with white stroke. This one also, let us leave it with white stroke. Let's give it a white stroke, and it's okay. Let the stroke width to be 3. Alright, so the next thing is this. Let's copy this shape. Let's copy this shape so that we can get this one here. Alright, so you come here. We have locked the shape already. So here is the shape. For us to copy it, just click on this. If you click on it, then you will see copy icon, which is this. Click on it. Then we have copied the shape, so just bring it here and reduce it to the size you want, something like this. Alright, so let me add the text, which is just 2,000 naira. So you go to your text, just 2,000 naira. So let's make this on capital letter, which is very simple. Just click on this. Alright, I click OK. So we have to give this a black color. Yeah, it's okay. Then we're going to give it a bold style. So click on style, click on bold. Then let's reduce so that it will enter inside this circle, and we have to rotate it like this. And let's reduce the text size. It's okay like this. Alright, so we have gotten this. Let's lock this new input that we just did. Alright, so now next thing we are going to do is to form this shape, which is here that says order now into the phone number. And you go to shape again. In the shape we are going to choose this time around is this. Click on it, then we have to rotate. So then something like this. Keep it somewhere here. This is okay enough. Then go to test. We'll write order now. Okay, before then, let's delete this test. We have to put this an orange color. Let's give it a color which is orange. And here it is. This one here. This is the color. Alright. So now let us go to test now. The first thing we're going to write is order now. Make it to be a capital letter. So I think that is an explanation back there. Let's apply it. It's okay like this. We are going to give this thing a red color. Let's be on red color. And we are going to give it a style which will be bold. Yeah, it's okay now. Then we have to write your phone number. This is call to action. Yeah, so you have to give them your number. Right, so this is my number for sample. So reduce and keep like this and give it a black color. It's okay. Let me just keep all this in a better position. Alright, so I think this part is done. Alright, so then the last thing we are going to do is just to add on this text that is here. Let's just add this first one which says your satisfaction is our desire. So let's go to test satisfaction is our desire. So it's our desire. Yeah, we're going to keep it like this. Then let's change the font and click on font. Looking for better fonts to use. So the one I'm going to use for this design is this one here. This one. Alright, so click on it. Then just keep it this way. Yeah, it's okay. So let's start with this side, the right up here. Just the perfect angel. Alright. So just the perfect angel. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to write just the perfect. Make it to be a capital letter. So let's remove the perfect for now. Just the. Right. So keep it this way. Then add another text which will be perfect. Keep it this way. Then another text will be enjoy. All in capital letter. Alright, so then let us treat this. This should be in bold. You have to put a tag which will be bold. Then this one also. Then that perfect we need to add it to red color. Then this enjoy also needs to be bold. Alright, so let's keep this like this. This one like this. Keep this way. Then this one this way. Alright, that's good enough. So the next thing is this small sorry, on white color. Is okay with this. On white color, position it this way. And so we are done with our design. So then last thing we're going to do is to add background, which is this. We have to change our background. You click on color, then we are going to use a black color this time around. So we choose black color, so you can see how our design looks very good now. Alright, so this is just simple way to design a flyer. If this video was helpful, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you have not, like and share this video. Have any question, just drop it under the comment section. Alright, so see you in the next video.